Welcome to InfoComm 2014, Day 2.
Hello and welcome to Key Digital's InfoComm 2014 booth. We're here to show you KD MC Kit 1000. It is a kit that contains just about everything you need to get up and running with Key Digital's new MC1000 and utilize its new Zigbee handheld remote control. So Key Digital's Compass Control has been available for 2 years now. Previously it was strictly iOS control interfaces. Now we have Zigbee that communicates with the master controller and also can be complemented by however many iOS devices as you'd like in the system. So we'll start with the KD ZRC300, which is our Zigbee wireless universal remote. Now, this communicates in two ways to the to the controlled device. One, of course, via Zigbee. It communicates to the ZRX200, so Zigbee to the receiver antenna, and this is actually good for up to 100 feet away from the Zigbee antenna. The Zigbee antenna then communicates to the MC1000 in this 3.5 millimeter port that is a special connection. And then if you're not using it for the Zigbee remote, because this MC1000 is sold independently, you could also use it for RS-232 with our supplied cable. Now, so that's number one, this remote communicating with the system via Zigbee. Number two is this remote can actually also supports local IR, so line of sight control to your devices as well. Now, what separates this from other simplistic universal remotes, of course, is that it communicates with the hardware. So this is not only controlling devices via infrared, but also via RS-232. And in fact, it even controls IP devices. We have a nice button here that says lighting, shade, and HVAC. We press that button, we come down and we press light, and then if I want to raise the lights, I press volume up or volume minus. And if I have a lighting control system with discrete level sets, 99, that's going to set the lighting level to 99. And this makes for a very, very powerful system when you combine it also with the iPad that, of course, Compass Control has lived with for the past 2 years. And all the iPad needs is a $100 license to get started. So this is the MC Kit 1000. All three things are inside the MC1000, ZRC300, and the ZRX200 Zigbee receiver. These parts are also available to be purchased a la carte, and it's at an extremely attractive price point, and folks are just really liking this handheld option in addition to the iOS. So for more information, make sure you go to the Compass Control section of keydigital.com to learn how to program it and more and more.
Hi Nasha, it's so great to be here at InfoComm with Key Digital. It's a new product for us. LBC International has been in business for just over a year. I've been doing international for 15 years, traveling to over 42 countries, and we're really excited to represent this brand here. The new Compass Control products that are being launched here at InfoComm, and we're excited about the future of Key Digital.
We're going to introduce you to a brand new part from Key Digital. It's actually going to be released a little later this year, just so you all know. And we're very excited about this because KD HD 16x16 Pro marks Key Digital's first large format 16x16 matrix switcher for digital video. So we're looking at the chassis here. It's a very nice part. It's a full faceplate with the rack mount ears built into it. So it's perfect for your commercial and industrial applications. You could do everything from the front unit, or of course, as we flip this around, there are many more control connectivities as well as input and output connections. We see here that it is comprised of 8 card slots. Each card slot has HDMI input, a block of 2 HDMI inputs, and your 2 outputs, which for the time being are only on single Cat HD base T. You have your control input and output for bidirectional control. Now these are labeled as IR, as this is a prototype, but we'll be adding not only 2 directions of IR control, but of course bidirectional RS-232 as well, that'll be connected to your receive extender. Now these are HD base T, and in fact this matrix switcher even supports 4K resolutions. And just like our light family of Digital IQ series 4x4, 6x6, 8x8 light matrix switchers, this is a matrix switcher that is working with all of the 4K sources and displays out there, and has been really compatible across the board. So a lot of folks very excited to see a 16x16 matrix with 4K support. We have RS-232, and also now for the first time on a Key Digital part, RS-485 control, in addition to a hardwired IR and TCP/IP control. Now, unlike our Light Series matrices, this matrix does not feature any control routing or a master controller inside. Your control is in and out to the respective extender. You also have a built-in power supply here, which again is unique to Key Digital parts as we go further and further into the commercial, enterprise, industrial grade hardware out there. Now this unit, KD HD 16x16 Pro, actually will come in at a very attractive price point and will include all 16 receive extenders in the package. So your one SKU is all you need to buy. You're going to have your matrix and your 16 extenders all in the box. So find out more by coming to our booth. We're here in the Central Hall, booth C9322. We hope to see you soon, or please contact us online for additional information if you can't be at InfoComm 2014.